mga walang trabaho sa bansa nitong Enero. Ayon yan sa Philippine Statistics Authority. Sa tala na
Next, please.
Anna, I see here you only finished high school. You have a college diploma?
No, Ma, but I can work hard. I can learn fast. I really need this job for my family.
Sorry, Anna. It's the company's policy. College graduate is required. Maybe next time.
Anna, what happened? Hindi ka na naman natanggap? Yes, Lisa, it's always the same. No diploma, no job, nakakawalang gana. Huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa. Malay mo, may darating na mas magandang pagkakataon.
Ana, kamusta? Trabaho ka na ba?
Wala pa rin. Lagi kasi ako nire-reject. Wala daw kasi ako diploma.
Ang bibitaw, Ana. Mahirap din ang buhay dito sa abroad.
Anna! Come on, early. How's interview go? Job? Di na naman, Alberta. Rejected na naman. Sabi nila wala rin sa diploma. Always diploma. But Anna, you're a good girl. Very hardworking. Company moves in your heart. Only paper. How like that? Kaya nga po Alberta, nakakapagod na. Gusto ko lang naman makatulong kay nanay, pero lahat ng ina-applyin ko pare-parehas sa sagot.
Listen, Anna. In life, no is easy. Me also when come here Philippines, no many words Tagalog. But I try. I work. I survive. You too can do.
Pero paano yan, Alberta? Lahat ng kumpanya nagawa ng diploma. You must continue. Don't stop. Thank you, Alberta.
Kot at sakit.
No, ma. Lagi kasi ako nire-reject.
Sa ilalim ng mga ngiti,